a secret food of Tibet, which helps Tibetans to stay healthy even in the hardest conditions. There is one single dish that is the epitome of food in Tibet, whether it is used by locals for snacks, meals, or even medicine: Tibetan tsampa. Due to its high nutritious, energy-boosting properties and durability, it has been a main dish of Tibetan diets for centuries, especially among the nomads. Tibetans eat this delicious treat for breakfast as an addition to the daily meals and as an important energy-boosting snack for those on a pilgrimage. Vegytas is a result of adaptation of this unique ancient recipe to the modern Western culture. With its full pack of nutrients for daily vitality and designed to last for years, Vegytas is basically a revolutionary meal solution. Visit our website bevegytas.com to order online fast and easily.